Hey guys, what's up? So, it's Sunny or Galaxy Gamer, and today I am playing Minecraft.
Pearl! She's here with Pearl Gamer.
Yeah. So, today we are playing Minecraft. Yeah. So, we are in a survival world. No cheating involved, except like one or two times, like where we had to change the weather or change it to daytime, Because, yeah. So, we got all the resources. We built our house. We just wanted to give you like a quick tour. So if you can see, you can see the house in the background. This is our house that we have been working on for a while now. So we're just gonna give you a tour of it, Pearl's just like, are you good?
Me?
Yeah. Okay, sorry if you're like random noises in the background. Okay, so yeah, let's just like give you guys a tour of this big mansion thing that we built. It's not even a mansion. It's just a random thing that we built. And here's the flower for you guys, like there you go, flowers all around. Yeah.
I take it back.
Okay. So yeah, let's start on with the tour. Okay. So this is how it looks like on the outside of our house right now. We literally started building this house. It literally started as a cave or a little hiding spot because we were scared of the night because we had it on easy mode, and then we just turned it into peaceful mode, and then we ended up building a huge mansion, right? So this is how it looks from the outside. There was like all this is cobblestone. This used to be like a whole pond, and I need to kill the sheep. I'm sorry. So there was this whole pond here, and I literally took my time to cover it with cobblestone. Yeah.
And we have like 50 stacks.
We have 50 stacks of what?
Of stone, and we ran out. And we thought we'd never run out of that because it was so much, but we ran out.
Literally, that's how much cobblestone this took. We literally ran out of cobblestone for like 3 days, and like every day when we need cobblestone, like, can someone go mining? But we were all lazy too. Okay, so this is the first glance of the inside. So let's start off over here. So this is a wonderful little like lounge. It was supposed to be like a lounge area, but we turned it out to be okay. Just ignore this hill here, yeah. So
That's our cave. It's like a mining cave that we go to all the time.
yeah, so this is like a living room sort of thing, So we have like a little mini fridge over here that I just randomly built, and then we have like a couch, and there used to be like a painting for a TV, but I don't know what happened there. We have a little fireplace too. It's really cute.
And we have Reginald. Here. He's my best friend.
Yeah, we copied him from Dennis Looks at Minecraft, so yeah. So then over here is the bathroom. So I built this whole thing to surprise Pearl. So here's like a cute little sink thingamabob, and then there's like a cute shower thingamabob that you can't go in right now. I don't know. I just put bars here because I thought it looked cool. So then we have like a little like bath thingy, and then we have like this cute little like toilet thingy. If I can flick it, yes. So then I called it a cute little toilet thingy. So over here is our library / enchanting room. This over here, the fact that there's no bookshelf here is really annoying me, so we're probably gonna make another one. But it's just like a library / enchanting room, and inside this chest we have just like random junk.
I made this anvil.
Yeah, I told you to make it. So then if you go over here, we have a little like area. We're still working on this area. We had to make it all quartz, but we were too lazy to go to the nether to get quartz. Because we're making the whole thing quartz. I was in the process of doing that.
Oh, I didn't know that.
No, place that back down. So then over here we have this like cool effect. So I built this floor, and Pearl. I built the whole floor, and Pearl like cleaned out the walls and like carved out this room. So I literally put like water down here, and it was super difficult because there's literally a cave under here, so I had to like block everything off. So we have like water and then like glass, and then we have our beautiful nether portal, which we're not gonna go through today, but yeah, it's wonderful. And that noise though. Okay, so now let's go outside here. So that's basically like the living room part. That's all it is. And then this thing over here is like I told you guys, it's a mining thing, so We're not gonna go down there right now. And then over here, we'll talk about this area later. So if we go on, I made this beautiful cake for Pearl. I don't know why. So then these are my two dogs. I don't know what to call them. I was thinking to call this pink one Penny, and then this purple one, I don't know what to call this purple one, but you should let me know in the comments. So then here, credits to Pearl. Okay. So credits to Pearl for building this thing here. This is our wonderful.
Wait, did I build it? Yeah, I built this while she was building the.
And I was built. No, yeah. She built this while I was building the bathroom and the mining area. So anyways, so this is just like our storage room thingy, you know. And we have a lot of flowers because we found like a whole flower field and stuff, and we were just trying to be stupid. And then we just have these random 2 chests here because we needed more. So, yeah, this is our basically like our storage room.
Wait, hold on, you forgot the best part.
Oh yeah, so like I was I used to mine here, you know. And then we literally just like, we didn't even know what we were gonna do. This used to be our old mining area, and then we just like blocked it off and pretend like nothing was there. Now you better fix that hole now. Why is there nothing in that chest? Oh, she took it. Okay. So then we were planning where that mining area is. We were planning on making a closet, but that didn't happen. But it might happen in the future. Now credits to Pearl for this whole thing as well. She carved out the whole room, and she had an idea of like putting a glass here so we could see like the outside. And I helped her decorate it. I put all the cabinets. I made the fridge, the refrigerator. She did this. And we were just like helping each other out and stuff. And like I thought of this table. She thought of this counter, and we were just doing that.
We should make an island or a table, and she wanted to make a table, so we did a table. Cause yeah, like, and you could fall through here. You could get trapped in there.
Yeah, you can get trapped in the table, and then you're gonna have to reset.
I'm too fat to get there. Maybe you can get there.
I don't know. I fell through the table once. I don't know how.
It looks like you're flying on the table.
Exactly. Okay. So next we have this part where it's just like, you know, crafting table mining area.
Our favorite part of the room.
Yeah. This was our house originally was literally, you see that front part with like the door area and the cake? That used to be our house, and we literally made it bigger and bigger and bigger. So then over here we have a wondrous like cube mining area thing that we barely even like use. Oh, sorry.
Ow.
So yeah. And then out here, credits to Pearl once again. I built that mining area, by the way. So credits to Pearl, she built like this cute little farm and barn area. So we used to have a bunch of sheep. And then what happened here?
They escaped.
Yeah, they all escaped because someone forgot to close the gate. And then then I like took one sheep. And then we had one sheep left in here. And then that apparently escaped as well. And then we had like a little wheat farm going on that we barely even use. And that's pretty much here.
And then, this is where we get all our wood. The wood's past here, so.
That's why there's a flying tree there, you know. Just casual Minecraft. And like you see that balcony, we'll talk about that later. The balcony looks so weird from the outside. We haven't even seen that from the outside. So now we're gonna go on to this area over here. Oh, we have a little cute clock here. So credits to Pearl for building all of this.
Except the wood tile thingy, the stairs.
Yeah, the stairs, she made them like all this ugly stone, and I hated it, and then I just replaced it all with birchwood. Anyway, so if you go all the way upstairs, here's the Gamer Club's bedrooms. We're not done with the roof. So just like ignore that hole in the wall or hole in the roof. So here we have Creeper Gamer's bedroom. We're still working on this all. Here we have just like a random guest's bedroom.
I think this is gonna be dragons.
Oh yeah, I think that is Dragon Gamers. Alright, and then over here we have Pearl's dog. And then here we have Crazy. We have Golden Gamers, or his new name is now Universal Gamers. And we're gonna put glass here. We just needed some more glass, so yeah. Oh yeah, and over
Oh, sorry.
this used to be our room. this used to be our room, but we changed our room. So this is Golden Gamers or Universal Gamers, and he has like a cute little balcony area too that he said he wants to decorate himself, so he'll do that later. Furthermore, if you continue going, we built this all in survival. Just remember that. That's why it's so ugly right now. So then this is mine and Pearl's room. So guys, I logged into this world, right? And I went into, so I spawned on my bed because the last time I was in this world, I was sleeping, right? So I come here and I'm like, why are these stands metal? Like on Pearl's screen, it's still wood. Like I logged in and I was like, Pearl, did you like put a texture pack or something? Like, do you guys see this right now? Like, oh my god, I'm shook. And then I just placed down another one just to see if it works on like another one or if only that one's glitching, and it worked on this one as well. Like literally, look, I have 5 armor stands. Like, look at this. Like, oh my god, like this is crazy. So look,
Like outside and like responding and stuff, and then she's just like,
look at this, guys. Do you see
and then
this?
she's like, what happened to the armor stands? Did you put a check?
I'm like, are they metal or something? Like, what is happening? Like, I was shook.
Yeah. So I'm like a texture pack person that likes to have texture packs on.
No, you're a texture pack person that doesn't like to put them on. Yeah. Oh, and I decorated this whole room, so credits to me. Pearl just put down the carpets. So I also built like this cute little tree plant thing because we need some greenery in this house, you know. And then I made this like cute computer table thing. And yeah, I think that's pretty much our house.
No, and Ender's bedroom.
Oh yeah, where's the Ender bedroom anyway? Enders and creepers. Totally skipped them.
Ender.
Oh, Ender?
Only Ender.
Oh yeah, creepers is over there. Yeah, this is Enders, and he just like, we just made this random armor stand here, cause yeah. So this is pretty much our whole house. Our house in survival mode. We made this all in survival mode. It took us a very long time. And like #2. I was about to say I didn't lose any health, and then I just like was out my health. So this is basically like our wonderful house in survival mode that we have created. So I hope you guys enjoyed this like wonderful tour. Oh yeah, so I was randomly exploring to find some sugarcane to make our wonderful library / enchanting room. And I went really far to find sugar canes. And then it ended up being in a spruce forest, and I just started to look around because we didn't have any dark oak wood. So we just started, or spruce forest, wait, what is it called? Like, you know, like those like fat trees. So basically,
Aren't they called like, I forgot. I think they're like, I forgot.
exactly. So you found like those, you know, like those fat tree forests where like each like trees,
Dark oak.
each log is like 4x4. Anyways, I was getting some,
Dark oak.
whatever. I was getting some dark oak because we needed that. So I just started exploring into the spruce forest or whatever it's called. Excuse me. And I literally screamed to Pearl. Pearl was like mining, I think. So I literally screamed to Pearl, I found a mansion! And Pearl, explain your side of the story.
And I thought, okay, so I was like, okay, yeah, I was mining, and I was like, okay, whatever. I thought like, you know those in the villages, she was like, oh, I went to a village or something like that, and I found a map that lets you go to a mansion, right?
Yeah, because like inside the mansions, there were like these weird villager people things that drop like axes and emeralds.
Yeah, so I was like, I didn't know about the mansion at all. I was like, maybe she's just lying, or maybe she just built it by herself or something like that. And I was like, there's no way that I could have built that because like it's my world and like I don't know about it. Like I obviously don't know about it. So I just think that, you know, in the villages how there's those
What is this?
castles that
Sorry.
kind of look like mansions. I thought those were what she was talking about, but then when I teleported to her, it was like a huge mansion. Oh my god, it was so huge. It had like dungeons and everything.
Yeah, it was crazy. We were about to keep that house, and then I lost it. So, yeah. So I hope you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this wondrous tour. I keep saying wondrous. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.